Becoming a certified management accountant or CMA can give you access to high-profile, high-earning six-figure jobs. To become a CMA, you have to pass a two-part exam, and that's where things can get tricky. The exam only has a 45% pass rate globally, which means that more than half of people fail the first time around. But I'm here to make sure you are in the winning group. My name is Nathan Liao, and just like you, I was once weighing my options about what type of accounting career to pursue. I chose the CMA, and since then, over 37,000 CMA candidates in over 100 countries came knocking on my door seeking guidance and help. So I created CMA Exam Academy. The CMA Exam Academy offers complete review courses that are full of every resource you could imagine and meet the needs of every type of learner just like you. After all, we have a 90% exam pass rate on average. You may be gung-ho about self-study, and many people like the freedom to self-pace or self-manage. The problem is, without accountability and without guidance, you may miss major concepts, let yourself skip days, or not accurately self-assess when you're ready to take the test. Most people need support, and CMA Exam Academy is ready to provide it. You will get easy-to-read textbooks in digital and print versions, a personalized online test bank with over 4,000 questions, and over 35 essay questions with answer explanations. All-in-one exam formula guides, accounting fundamentals textbook, a CMA flashcards mobile app, micro-learning in bite-sized video lectures, whiteboard explainer videos, audio lectures you can download and listen on the go. Also, in-person exam rehearsal at a local parametric testing site. These materials are great and form the core of your CMA exam studies, but the secret power of CMA Exam Academy is unlocked with even more study resources and personalized coaching. CMA Exam Academy students get free worldwide shipping, 15% off IMA fees, and a free 1-year CPE subscription, which is worth $699. Rather than leaving you to do it all yourself, we get up close and personal, offering unlimited exam coaching support, weekly assignments, weekly check-ins with you, and weekly coaching calls. We pack all of this into a highly effective 16-week plan for each part of the CMA exam and ship textbooks anywhere in the world. We also offer a pass refund guarantee, so this is a risk-free enrollment for you. This process works, and with the right materials and our CMA coaches on your side, you can pass the CMA exam the first time, and with the CMA Exam Academy, you can get started right away. Enroll now, and let's do this together. I'll see you on the inside.